Hey guys, Kev here, and I want to do a quick recap of a unboxing I did earlier, but I scrapped it because it was just awkward the way I did it. I tried doing it downstairs without a phone stand. I was just winging it. But anyway, I want to talk about the things that came in briefly, and then I want to show you guys how to glue magnets back into fidgets because I have to. So I'll show you. But this here is the LeftyEDC. I don't know what I did with the box. This is the mechanical milk lid. Right here, mechanical milk lid number 89. And it's pretty cool. So you'll see this is stainless steel. It's got the LeftyEDC Pinocchio face there. Then you've got LeftyEDC on the front. It's got this cool star shape. And it's a really good size. Like here's an NJT button or coin, which is awesome. Here's a chicken dinner coin, which you're going to see again in a second. The mechanic from Loudy. A couple of things for you. I guess I could grab like a donut or something, right? Something you guys might recognize a little better. Nano milk lid. And donut. All right. So right between those two, I think that's a good size comparison. But I actually really like this thing. Sorry, move some stuff back there. It's got a good feel to it. Now I'm going to take it apart, and it's going to maybe never go back together this way again. I got lucky, but you can tell there's some resistance. But the clicks are really short, where like on a milk lid, you notice how there's one click for a pretty long pull. This is kind of a bunch. And that basically is because, and that's what I was worried about right there. Shit. Oh, I think I see both. Holy shit, I got lucky. Ugh. Grabbing my balls right now, trying to get this thing. Oh, come on, Kev. God damn it. Got it. And the other one landed right here. Holy shit. I might have some of these laying around. Maybe not, because I think I gave away all the stuff for that metal toys thing. This really reminds me of the metal toys thing. And essentially you have the balls, and then you have these slots, and you can put springs in them. It also comes with God damn, some of these are really tight. It also comes with some other stuff. So it really is reminiscent of the whatchamacallit. Oh, where's the other parts? Oh, God, man. Everything's just falling out. There's these little, I don't even know what to call them, washers almost. I think they're supposed to sit on top of the hole. And then you put the ball on that. What's really hard is to get the cap on once you have a ball in there. Once you have two, it's like impossible. It took me 8 tries. So there, I could probably get this on. See, it's really hard to... The other ball's like in my palm. I'm trying to be careful. So this is a pain in the ass. That's all I'm going to say. I think what you got to do is kind of pull down as you put this on. See, I can't quite get it. I can't get the ball to seat while I'm closing it. So I don't know what to do. There, see? That's pretty good. That actually has a good amount of resistance. And that's just one ball. This feels a lot like the 2 balls. So imagine getting both balls in with the rings around it. I don't even think I could pull it off. Because, God, it was hard to even get that in. So let's see if we can pull it off. And I don't know why there's 3 slots. Like there's 3 different slots, but they only give you 2 balls, which is weird to me. It's just really hard to do any of this, to be honest. Just get that fucker in there. I need like something with a needle point that's not magnetic. There we go. This is apparently going to be Fidget Surgery 101. Except I'm not a surgeon. Fuck! It fell. It fell. Shit. Where's the other ball? Oh my god. This is like stupid. Am I missing a ball now? It's probably under here somewhere. Yep. Okay. So they give you 3 of those and only 2 balls. Like, I don't understand. I think they fucked up, is what I think. So, I need to take 1 more of these, and I'm going to try to make it... Yeah, there's no way to make it easy, so, okay. They're all spread the same way apart, so. Oh. Ah, shit. That's the one without the... Fuck. Alright. 2 of them have springs. So I need to put these in the 2 with springs, basically. Okay, I got that one. And then I can put the ball on it, but... Now what? I gotta, like, hold it like this so it doesn't go anywhere. And make sure I get this one now. Okay, get this ball. Now, this isn't even the hard part. The hard part is getting this freaking lid on. So, you see, I can get them in there, but then I need to somehow magically not have the balls jump out of the way. Like, you guys tell me what I could do to make this easy, because I can't figure it out. Laying it down doesn't work. Right? See, now everything fell out. Like, it's, to me, this is not worth it. I'm not even gonna fuck with it. So I'm just gonna put the 1 ball back in. I'll try to get 2 balls in, maybe. But all this shit with the washers is just too much work. It really is. So, this was hard enough. Fuck. Alright. Jesus Christ. Alright, so just hold that. Find the other one. Get it in. And then what I did was I kind of just pushed. See, that one came out. Get it to pop back in. Oh, I got it. There. That's the best I'm probably ever going to do. And it's fine. I just would like to see what it's like with more resistance. But it has a good amount of resistance. So this is really cool. That's the, there's another spring in here. And there's more of these things. But they only give you the 2 balls. So I think they fucked up. And they meant to give me more balls is what I think. Like 1 more ball. And they just fucked it up. Because I'm noticing LeftyEDC and their QC is not exactly like the shit right now. There we go. And we're about to talk about that. So this is going to go here. And I'm going to put that in there. And then we have the mechanical milk lid. It's really cool. I do think it's cool. I carried it today. I love the size. I like the feel in hand. I like the sound. So definitely a cool piece. I love the feel. I wouldn't mind seeing a regular milk lid in this pattern, honestly. It feels pretty good to the hand, to the touch, or whatever. So this is going to go to Preston over at Big Mitts and Fidgets, along with the mechanic. Did I show you guys the mechanic ring? This is a Loudy product. And you just do this. Haptic. It's magnetic in there. You can take the magnets out by unscrewing this stuff, and I think you can make it a ring spinner, but I wouldn't do that, so this is how I would rock it. Anyway, these two are going to go over to Preston to check out. Also, I wanted to note the mechanical milk lid, and this came from Big White EDC. Shout out to Big White EDC. Thank you, Yang, for sending these my way to review and pass around to the group. Yeah, I got a link down below if you want to check out the website over there. You can also use my code, LeftyEDC. It works on most things. There's some stuff the code doesn't work on, but if it's your first order, if you follow that link, you'll get a discount on your first order. So this is the chicken dinner coin from ACEDC and One Bean. There's the information, 68 of 99. Comes in a cool little slidey thing. It has this with extras, which is cool, as per the usual cool stuff. Put that back in here. And it is a cool Zerk, blasted Zerk, which is important to me. Great snaps. I mean, next to the donuts, haptically, right? And, of course, the NJT coins. I mean, it's right up there with the loudest ones. I would put this right next to the full-size milk lid from ACEDC. I think it is that good. So if you're okay with the larger size, I think the One Bean chicken dinner coin is fantastic. It's really snappy sounding. And it's got enough haptic feeling. And in at least the Zerk, and I'm guessing the tie, it has less of that wiggle woggle that the steel one had. So I think this is fantastic. Really digging the chicken dinner coin from One Bean ACEDC. So definitely check that out. Again, shout out to Big White EDC. Now, I bought this one. This one is the Nano Milk Lid Glow in a blue color. I have this one in the white. I really like this one, but I thought blue would be cool, so I ordered blue, and I thought it would be more of like a blue. This is sort of like a greenish color. You can see like this side's almost a different color than this side. It's weird. Is it the right one? Sky blue. I don't know about that, but okay. I can't turn it because the magnets came out. It's already got magnets coming out of it, which sucks, because nobody wants that to happen. We got 4 of them. Oh, no, okay, 3, and then the center pivot one. Where is that one? Oh, here. Okay, so I want to keep that separate because I'll just keep it attached to that. So you have these 3. You can see the epoxy on the bottom wore off. I'm going to make sure these aren't coming out as well. Oh, they're going the other way. they seem pretty solid. Let's see. I just figure if they're going to come out, I'd rather them come out now, you know what I mean? So I don't have to deal with this later again. But they seem okay. We seem good. Okay. So these three here need to get placed back in. And they need to get placed in the proper way. So basically they need to go in that way, right? They need to go in this way. Like that. Snip, snip, and then drop that one in. Snip. Got them all in, right? How do you get it to do that? Well, first we check if it magnetizes to this. This is always my first option. Shit, it's reversed, which sucks. I hate that. So then I'm going to go for, I guess, actually, I could just use this, right? I could just perfectly line these up, honestly. Hold on. There we go. All right, so here's what you do to put magnets back in. First, you want to clean them up, right? So what I like to do is take a little bit of acetone on a Q-tip. Be very careful. Acetone will like melt things that you don't want it to melt. I have accidentally done that a few times. So I just kind of wash off the acid or the glue on the magnets. It's kind of like smushing it around. So I might need to do a little more than that. Damn it. Okay. Isn't working too well. Usually, what they'll tell you to do is soak them, but I really don't feel like spending all night doing this. So I'm just gonna hope. Yeah, there we go. I just scrape it off. Basically, if you have the time, you want to soak the magnets in acetone overnight. Or probably just a couple hours would be enough for what we're doing here. We're just trying to get the glue off of the magnets so that we start fresh, essentially. If that makes sense to you guys. Honestly, don't need them like on here for this. Just take it off. Jesus Christ. All right, that should be fine. Then I'm going to take just a little bit, clean out the inside of the magnet pockets. Again, just being more thorough than I really need to be. If you're redoing a whole fidget, like if you're gonna go ham and try to really, you know, clean it up, do a great job, then I do recommend that you do more than this. Don't just clean it out once, like let it soak, do the whole thing. But I'm trying to do this for a video, so I'm being a little less thorough. There's like a little bit of white shit in there. I'm just trying to... All right. Alright, so I'm going to put the acetone away, because you don't want to spill this shit on accident. Look at that. Where's that box? God damn it. This is the one I had to fucking shake out, yeah. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place. I'll get there eventually, don't you worry. Alright, so here we go. This is the glue you want. Black, medium thick Star Bond. You can use these things, these little nozzles, to make sure you get it out evenly, which is probably what I'm going to do just to be safe. This might be clogged up. Looks like it, so I might chuck that guy, start a new one. Oh shit, I had a little needle thing. Oh well. Alright. Open her up. You can get this stuff on Amazon. I did a short about this. All the links are in there to the acetone and the glue and stuff. If you want to, I think this is meant for me to rip off. Yeah. If you want to go there and get them, you can. So here's what I'm going to do. I should probably be smart and do one at a time. So magnetize it, right? Make sure this is clean. Get that last little bit of glue off of there. So you want to magnetize it, and then you're going to want to put glue in here, and then you're going to want to pop your magnet in, right? Slide off and push down. Now you're going to have glue probably seep out, so you want to just push down, spread away with your finger, wipe off, and move on. Probably good to have a little bit of acetone on this cloth for wiping. So that's what I'm going to do. Just have a little bit there. Don't go crazy. It's okay if, you know, if you get a little bit on you or something. So here we go. Don't know why we're not getting anything right now. Careful, careful, careful. This might not be... Okay, try again. What's going on here? Did it dry up? coming out just a little too slow. I don't know what's going on. Looks fine. Trying to be careful. I don't want to just spray it everywhere on accident, so let me take this off and see if that helps. I just used this the other day. Might have to use something to push through. I don't know if something was clogging it. I don't want to assume it's fixed. Oh, I'm an idiot. Is it just the end there that's capped? Do I just need to poke this guy? Alright, let's try this again. I think we're good. Come on, what is going on? Am I missing something stupid here? What is going on? Oh, okay. We got breakthrough. Careful. Yeah, we got it coming. Okay. Whatever happened, who knows? Calmly. Just want to put a little layer at the bottom. Just fill the bottom. You don't want to go crazy here. I gotta watch that. So press down. Once it's in, like I said, it's gonna come out. You just want to take your little bit of acetone here, wipe it off. Make sure it's pressed down, because if it's sticking up, then it's gonna hold up your action. It's not gonna work, just so you know. So I'm pressing down as firmly as I can. Yeah, man, it looks raised, but I can't push any further, so I don't know what else I could do at this point. I just gotta hope. I gotta hope it's low enough in there. Go to the next one. So maybe I put too much glue, and so it didn't sit lower. So let's try a little less on this one. Push down. It's okay. I took both off. It's fine. I'm gonna pop that one off. Clean it. You can always clean excess off after. So like I can take acetone and clean off that glue. No big deal. So still worried about that one there, but I don't know what else I can do about it. Last one. Actually, for this one, I'm gonna use a stack of magnets like this. So they're different magnets, but that doesn't matter. So here's what I'm gonna do. You see how it's magnetized? They are the same. Shit, they're the same? Well, they're very similar anyway. Oh, I did get glue all over that one. Okay, so plan here is to just pop it in like that and then slide over. Are these the same magnets? And they should be magnetizing away, right? Shit. I could have just put fresh magnets in. So not what I want. What I want is for it to magnetize to that. So I want these to catch on to that and then to pull off, right? No, that's not what I want. If it's magnetized, see, this is where you gotta be careful. If it's magnetizing to that, then it would go in this way, right? So I'm just gonna put one of these in. This is the same size, right? Let me just check. Yeah, it's the same magnet. So anyway, I'm gonna do it this way then. Got it. Okay, I'm just gonna go in like this. Pull away, press down, get my finger out of there. Ugh. Clean up crew. Where's the acetone? Dried up. Take a little bit. This glue is not as sticky as like super glue. So you don't have to worry about like right then I got my finger stuck to it. It's not the end of the world if you do that. All right, we got them all in. Hopefully low enough to do the trick. So these, I'm gonna put this aside. Just give it a little bit of time to cure. That one magnet is in here now, but that's fine. It's the same kind. So while we do that, I want to add a magnet to this. So this was the whole point of getting these magnets, was so I could try to add magnets to these donuts to make them a little stronger. So let's see if we can do that. So all we gotta do is add one magnet in here. So we'll take a stack, magnetize it to that, right? And that means we just have to do what? Turn it around. Oops. We just have to put one in like this. So let me just do this. I don't need that many on there for what I'm trying to do. So it's like that. Put glue in, swipe like this, right? Break that one off. And then, does that make sense? Okay. So here we go. A little more glue for that one. Get it off, push down, slide finger out. Take acetone, clean off. Press down again just to make sure. And I just press them all because I don't know which one it is now. I think it's this one though. And now we have 7 magnets on both sides of our donut. That was the whole point of getting all these magnets. He sent me all these. So if other people wanted to try, they could try as well. See, we got some glue there. Might as well use this acetone while I have it. It's kind of hard to just take acetone on a towel and have it wipe off stuff, but it can kind of work. Yeah, look at that. Perfectly shiny now. Oh, wait. Is that the one? Is that the one? Shit. It kind of just turns the glue into, like, it takes it from hard glue to, like, soft glue. It doesn't necessarily just, like, clean it off, if that makes sense. Let me get this out of here. This is the one that's all dirty. Is it like deforming, or am I crazy? Here's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna throw that magnet away. Actually, is there something I could put? I'm gonna put it on this glue it down, and then throw it away. I just don't want to throw away the magnet in case my kid finds it or something. Okay. Whew. All right, moment of truth. Let's do this. Take this off. Oop. Okay. Clean this. What am I missing here? What? What am I missing? There's 2 lids? That's weird. Okay. I guess that's why they give you an extra lid, in case the one gets clogged. If you're an idiot like me and you use both right away. This one, maybe we can needle. Well, good to know you can. So I can use the needle next time on that. All right. I don't know what. I have more donuts, so we might try more, but let's see how these. See how this went. We have our central magnet. That. We have our. God damn it. This thing usually seats itself. There we go. Yeah, it's very similar. I mean, almost identical. In case you guys didn't know, magnets aren't 100%, you know, identical. Real quick, just so you guys can see what it looks like. Not gonna be able to cut all the lights, but I can cut a few. Yeah, see, that's way cooler than this one that glows green. You can see it a little bit. I'd much rather have the blue. You can see the magnets through it almost. This one you can see a lot more when it's glowing because, well, I'm guessing if it was dark you could anyway. Yeah, it's cool. So I know Melanie over at EDC Fidget was interested in this one. Oop. So I may offer this to her and see if she wants to buy it for a reduced price. Because I did pay for this one. This one I didn't. So kind of 50-50 it there, maybe. Let's see how the donut is. So the hope is you get a little bit more. Yeah. Not a ton Oh yeah, it is. It's a good snap difference. So where it could be a little bit loosey-goosey at times, it's now... Oh yeah, it's really strong. That feels amazing. So I have two more. This one's already got a pretty heavy snap. And there is sort of a way that you can tell. So if I were to take this apart, just for reference, if you want to try it before you, if you have multiples, it doesn't always work because you might have opposing forces. But on some of them, let's say this one, you have 6 here, and you have, or 7 and 7. And if they connect, so you can see the magnets are opposing there. If I take this one now, it'll snap together. So now you could feel what this would feel like with 7 and 7, which is really strong. Oh my God, that's nice. Yeah, that's really good. So I'm definitely gonna add the 7th one to that, and then we could try this one. See if this guy snaps on. Nope. See if, oops, this guy snaps on. Yep. And again, oh yeah, really, really strong on this one. Yeah, I don't know. Some people might hate this. Look at that. That looks kind of cool, actually. Some people might not want donuts as strong as they're about to be, but so be it. So let's just put this guy back together. I mean, that's a donut that I'm just getting. It's just making really good sounds here. All right, so let's do it. Take this out. Yeah, I know. Now I'm backtracking, but what are you gonna do? Maybe this hasn't clogged up yet. If I could clean this off. Ugh. Acetone. Get the magnets, and we want to make sure we're facing the right way, right? So we're going to do this one first. So let's get rid of this. Come on. All right, so what we want, clean it while we're here, right? Is magnets that attract to that. So I don't know why I always grab so many. This. Just enough. Okay. Take this one, do the same thing. Oops. Just enough. Get my finger out of there, find the acetone here. There it is. God damn it, there it is. Acetone's such a weird material. Or stuff, whatever you want to call it. I can't figure out where it is. I had to glue in one of these early on too with this one. So. Oops. Alright. So now I'm just going to give it a second to set. Put these away. So yeah, I'll probably just keep like a stack of these, and if you guys hit me up, you want one, I'm going to ask that you pay for shipping, but that's it. I'm not going to charge you for the magnets or anything. So, alright, clean this up. There we go. Clean all that. All right, here we go. Extra lid. This stuff will all go away. All right. Start putting stuff together. We'll do this one first. See how it went. Keep in mind, guys, I haven't handled a donut in a while. I've been going spinners, and then I recently got the NJT one, so I got to get used to it again, too, but it feels great. Definitely feels like I can get clicks a lot easier. Even, you know, if I put a lot of pressure down, sure, but if I just... Uh-oh. Oh. What do we lose? What? Oh, shit. That was... Like, what do we lose? It was an extra magnet from when I... Idiot. Let's try that again. This Zerk one is amazing, but it was the best one beforehand, too. You hear those clicks? This one's still not the strongest, but still great. Oh, yeah. They're better. I mean, that's... The bottom line is they are better, and they were already top-notch coins. Probably my favorite coins before I got these NJT ones. These are just out of this world. And I actually had to glue one of these too when I got it. One of the Zircutai ones came out. I don't think... Are they the same? That would be awesome if they were the same magnet. Oh, they are. Yes. That's the shit. So if anything ever happens, I have these magnets. That's perfect. I wonder if these are the same ones in the, whoops, in here, because, no, these are bigger. See that? I wonder, I have these from the clicker thing. I only have 3, but that looks like, yeah. Let me just check. Because, Yes, because Fuckface over at Fidget Focus, we call him Fuckface because it's FF. It's not like derogatory. He fixed this for me, but you can see on one of them, there's like a half broken magnet. So I was like, man, if I could get him some magnets, but it looks like these would fit. So I could technically send him these, but he'd have to soak them all, and he probably wouldn't want to do that. And it's functioning, so if it ever fucks up again, then I'll send it to Fuckface. We love calling him Fuckface. Yeah, so that's the magnets. I don't really know if there's anything else to cover on swapping out magnets. I think we got it covered. Hopefully that helps you guys. I did it like 3 or 4 times there. So you could see exactly how you do it. Let me just get this back together. Man, just listen to that. And then I have more coming. I ordered one in this, so it's Zircutai Worrystone, but it's not colored. It's just black and white, so that's going to be cool. And then I got one in, hopefully, this material, like Worrystone finish on Mokutai. We'll see if that works out. But, all right. So, big thank you to Big White EDC. Thank you, Yang. He has provided magnets for the community to pimp out their donuts. And, guys, oh, yeah. Is it going to be a huge game changer? Probably not. If you already hate the donut, is it going to make you love it? Probably not, but I mean, listen to this. I mean, I'm squeezing pretty hard. I know a lot of people struggle with these, but definitely helps, I think, and it makes me want to buy another donut. So if that means anything. Then we have the Turbo Glow Nano. I gotta say, guys, these are fantastic, these nanos. Especially these Turbo Glows. They just have a really loud snap because of the plastic, basically plastic. Right? I think I sold my I sold my other Nano, but this is the only other milklet I have. The Devil's Milklet and Blasted Zerk. These are all phenomenal, guys. ACEDC killing it. Same magnets? Yes, same magnets. That's really good. Now I have replacements for everything. ACEDC. So these are all ACEDC products. This is a Loudy collaboration. And then you have the One Bean ACEDC collaboration. Chicken Dinner Coin. These magnets are bigger. So these are the bigger ones. But I do have a couple of those over there. So that's good. I'm sure you could get the magnets like on Amazon, but I don't know. All of these are bangers now. I mean, listen to this. And this one, my God, it has the strongest snap I've ever felt on a haptic coin, I think. Definitely stronger than those two. Stronger than that. I know it's stronger, yep, than that. Stronger than that. This would be close. But I think it's still a stronger snap, and there's like almost no play in between. It's crisp. Fantastic. And then the other thing I picked up, so let me put all those away. Again, big shout out to Big White EDC. Go check out the website, guys. The other thing I picked up was another Get Good screw. So let me grab that. Pick this guy up. Check this out. So they recently sent me this set, the Screw Preem set, Comes with a medium driver and a base, which is really cool. And it obviously holds the screw preem driver. And then I went ahead and bought this guy in the Poseidon's Kiss or whatever. Beautiful. And I also bought bearings. They sell ceramics. And you know I'm a crazy person with the bearings, so I did that. So now it's got a little sound to it. It comes with shielded bearings that are quiet if you want that. And then I had another one of these I call it, it's the Little Beach. Oh, here, I'll show you. You can also do this. This is the Little Beach. And here's the bearings, by the way, it comes with. They might be faster, I don't know. And this one I'm going to give to Colin over at, I use my partner with Devo knives. You can hear the shielded bearing where you can't. Basically silent, and then this one. So it's up to you what you want. If you want loud sounds, you get the ceramic. I might try to find some other bearings and mess around with it. It's a little looser in the spin. I don't know. They're both great, obviously. But I wanted to hook Colin up with something so he has something for Devo warranty work and stuff like that, which would be cool. So anyway, I bought this one so that I could replace that one. Really excited about it. Cool stuff from Get Good Screw. So that is, I think, everything I was showing off. I also got bearings from Skiff. These are test bearings for the Jaeger M. I'm going to test those out right after this, so stay tuned. Another video will be out soon, I guess, on that. So I love you guys. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I will catch you later.